Hello, fellow viewers. Welcome once again to the show. Make sure you stay connected to us on Instagram at BronxNetTV, at Foodie Down Bronx, and make sure to follow me at The Hungry Dominican. We hope you still have space for dessert. On today's show, we'll have Dakia Thompson of Upcake Cupcakes. She's bringing along some unique cupcakes, and we're going to take them to the streets and have some folks try them out. We'll also have KL of Made by K Events sharing some of her treats and talking about her business and upcoming holiday event. But before all that, let's get the show started how we usually do. Let's get into this week's Chew News. Stand clear of the turkey. A video of a full Thanksgiving meal dinner on the train went viral over the weekend. The video captured a group of people setting up a long cloth covered table in the middle of an L train car where they began handing out plates with turkey, mashed potatoes, yams, and cornbread. Now listen, I love the idea of New Yorkers getting together and sharing a meal. We live in a fractured society, and any show of unity, especially around the holidays, is always welcome. But we're already dealing with delays, sick passengers, and terrible service overall on a daily basis. And it already sucks that the L train runs every 20 minutes. So please, I ask all New Yorkers that if you're gonna pull this stunt again, do it on the J line. Because in all of my life living in New York City, I have never met one person who uses the J line. Not one person. Moving on to our next story, Joe Mar Quintana, a West Fordham resident, spent last year giving away hundreds of pork shoulders to his community just in time for Christmas, and this year he was giving away turkeys right before Thanksgiving. Quintana, who is a teacher and a big advocate of traveling, has also given away $1,000 scholarships for students studying abroad and hopes to continue giving back to his community. More than 200 families walked away with turkeys this year. Two other Bronxites, Amadis Grullon, aka the Bronx native, and Mott Haven Bar and Grill owner Rosa Garcia, also celebrated Thanksgiving by giving back to the community as well. Bronx natives distributed free meals and drinks, and Mott Haven Bar and Grill held their 6th annual turkey and grocery giveaway. What a fantastic way to give back. Thank you both for sharing the love. And finally, for those feeling adventurous, tomorrow and actually going into the stores on Black Friday, here's a hot deal you don't want to miss out on. Walmart is selling a gift set of 30 international hot sauces, with those sauces coming from Argentina, Costa Rica, Thailand, Hawaii, California, and 25 other spots you'll just have to discover for yourself. All right, guys, that is this week's Chew News, giving you a little food for thought. Foodie Down Bronx will be right back.